Okay, next we'll consider the reduction operator. Sixth one is what? The reduction operator. Okay, reduction operators in the Verilog. Okay, reduction and reduction NAND, reduction or next is what? The reduction XOR. Reduction NOR. Next is what? The reduction XOR. Then the reduction XNOR. Okay, write the operator for this. Okay, Sadashiva. Okay, for AND operator, what is the operator? What is that? Huh? ಅದೇ ಏನು AND operator ಅದೇ ಯಾವುದು? Ambassador. For the NAND is what? The tilde of NAND. R is what? The straight line. Okay, this is what? The NOR is what? The negation of not. R. This is XR is what? The this is XNOR is what? The negation with the cap. Okay, and even we can also write this one is as the negation also. Okay, reduction operators take only one operander. Okay, if you want to make it what? The reduce that size, we'll have the reduction operator that will take how many operators? Only how many operands? Only one operand. Only one operand. Okay, reduction operator will perform only one operand it will take. It is to be performed on only what? The perform the bitwise operation on the single vector. We are doing what? The bitwise operation itself on a single vector, and also it will be result. It will results what? The results only what? The single bit, one bit itself. One bit itself. What is the result of this reduction operator? Only one bit. The logic tables for the operators as same as what? The bitwise is logic bitwise logic tables. Logic tables are same as what? The are as bitwise operation. As bitwise operation. Okay, bitwise operation. This reduction operation will perform on what? The right to left. Right in the left ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತದ. Okay, right ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ ಅದ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಇದು ಈ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ರೈಟ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಇದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್. ರೈಟ್ ನಿಂದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ. ಅದು ರೈಟ್ ನಿಂದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ. ಓಕೆ, and also reduction of the NAND gate and also NOR gate reduction is what? The Okay, reduction operators, how many are there? Just to copy that one. Reduction operators in the Verilog are what? The reduction and reduction or reduction XOR, reduction, sorry, NOR, reduction XOR, and the reduction XNOR. Okay, the same as the bitwise operator. What are the bitwise operator we seen in the last concept? No, same as the ambassador. This is what the negation with the ambassador. What we are doing, reduction is what the completely negation of that particular gates. Only it will perform only on what the single operand. It will not consider the two operands, three operands and all. Okay, this is what the single operand ashte tottada. Next, bitwise on the single vector. Okay, it will perform what the bitwise. Single operand ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಆ ಆಪರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಬಿಟ್ ಟು ಬಿಟ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಬಿಟ್ ಟು ಬಿಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ವೈಸ್ ಹೊಡೆದ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಹೊಡೆದ ಬಿಟ್ವೈಸ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್. ಯಾವುದು ನಾವು ಬಿಟ್ವೈಸ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಲ್ಲ, we are using the logical tables. Those tables will be same as what the it will be used as what for the reduction operator also. This reduction operator always operations always perform on the right to left. Right ನಿಂದ left ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Reduction of NAND gate, reduction of NOR gate, reduction of XOR are making what the are inverting the are inverting. Okay, are inverting to what the same as the NAND iddadu AND ಆಗ್ತದ, NOR iddadu OR ಆಗ್ತದ, ಇದು XOR ಇದ್ದು XNOR ಆಗ್ತದ. It means here the will consider the one example. X is valuing the value is the 4 bits of in the binary form as the 1010. What is the value of the X? What is the value of X? 1010. Just to apply the negation of X. What is the value of negation of X? ಹೌದಾ? ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಬಿಟ್ ಟು ಬಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಿಟ್ ಟು ಬಿಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಏನದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಏನದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1010 ಅದ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇದು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳು? ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ 0 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ 1 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ 0. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್? 1 0 is what? AND operation perform between the bit to bit. 0 with the AND with what? The 1 is what? 0 is AND with what? The 0. The result is what? The 0. Similarly, you have to apply what? The next is what? The 1x. Okay, 1x. What is the value of the 1x? Okay, 1x is what? The dot is that thing, but the 1. Sorry, rx. Rx. What is this one? R 1 R with the 0, R with the 1, R with the 0. Then 1 R with the 0 is what? 1. 1 R with the 1 is what? The 1. 1 R with 1 is what? The 1. The result is what? The 1. This can be written as the 1 bit of value as the 1. ಒಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 2 ಬಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ 10 ಅಂತ ಏನೋ 01 ಬರೀತಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ 1 ಬಿಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಬಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿತ್ ದ 1 ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈವನ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದ XOR ವಿತ್ ದ X. XOR ವಿತ್ X ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ? 4 ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಏನೇನು ಇರ್ತದ? XOR ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? 1 ಅದ, XOR ವಿತ್ ದ 0, XOR ವಿತ್ ದ 1, XOR ವಿತ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ 0. 1 XOR with 0 is what? 1 itself. Then the 1 XOR with the 1 is what? The 0. 1 XOR with the 0 is what? 1 XOR with 0 is what? The 1 value. 1 XOR with 1 value is what? The 0. 0 XOR with 0 is what? The 0. Then the result is what? The 0. That's the 1 bit of 0. 1 bit of 0. Similarly, you can also apply the negation of XOR with the X. You apply it. First you have to apply make the XOR with the X. Bit to bit XOR with the X. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಗೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದೇ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದ 0 ಇದ್ರೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಇದ್ರೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So already we done with the XOR with the X. So that negate it. Okay, negate it ಮಾಡಿದ 0 to 1 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 1 to 0. Result ಏನು ಬಂದದ 0 ಬಂದದ. So that 1 bit of 1 because it's having the 0 result is it, make it what the 1 year. Yes, completed. Okay, one thing I want to clear you that what is the difference between the bitwise and logical and even what the reduction and. Reduction and is applied to only one operand. Yes sir. ಹೌದಾ? ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 4 ಬಿಟ್ 1 ಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀವಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀವಿ? ನಾನು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ತೋರಿಸಿನಿ, ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಅದು ವೈಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಐ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ನಿಂದ ಲೆಫ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದು ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿನಿ, ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಾಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 0 XOR with 1 is what the 1. 1 XOR with 0 is what the 1. 1 XOR with 1 is what the 0. So that result is what the 0 itself. Okay, the same result we will getting the same as the. Okay, I want to clear you that the difference between the bitwise and logical and also what the reduction and. Bitwise and hang ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. Bitwise and if I have the two examples here, the X is what the value here 1 0. X is what the 4 bit of 1 0 1 1. Y is having the value as what the 4 bit of 1 1 0 1. You apply it. Get me the answer. First in ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, bitwise and ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಈಸಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈಸಿ ಗೊತ್ತದ, ಇನ್ನೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಎರಡರ ನಡ್ಬರ್ಕ್ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಟ್ರೂ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. bitwise ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Okay, first I'm considering the bitwise and ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, I have to apply the and operation on what the bit to bit. First I'm considering the X as the value as the 1 0 1 1. Second value is what the 1 1 0 1. This is what the X, this is what the Y value. Yes sir. Bitwise ಅಂದ್ರೆ I have to apply the bit to bit. And operation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. If the both inputs are high, then only output is high. Otherwise it's for the 0. Okay, apply this truth table for the apply this truth table for this one. Okay, 1 into 1 is how much? Sadashiv. 1 into 1 how much? 1 and with 1 how much? 1. Next, Prabhudev. 1 and with 0 is how much? 0. 1 and with the 0 is how much? 0 and with 0 is what? 0. 1 and with 1 is how much? 1. Okay, similarly apply the bitwise. Next is what? The logical and. Okay, X is what the value 1 0 1 1. Y's value is what the 1 1 0 1. Is it true that's having the values? Yes or no? Logical and is there. Logical one. Is it having the values as 0? No, it's for the logical 1. Then apply the logical 1 and with the 1 logical 1. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೋ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ if it is a false, then the logical 1 with the logical false becomes what? The logical false itself. Both are true here, both are true, so that I can have the value as the logical 1 itself, because applying the 1 into 1 is what the and because 1 is 1 is true is what the true itself. Okay, make it what the bitwise reduction and ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. And reduction and ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? what the value of the you can take the we have to reduction and ಸಲಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಆಪರೆಂಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ್ದು ತೋತ್ರಿ? ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ತಗೋರಿ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 1 0 1 1 1 ಅದ. ಇದು ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು? 1 and with the 0 and with the 1 and with the 1. Apply the reduction operation from the right to left. Okay, 1 and with the 1 is how much? 1. 1 and with the 0 is how much? 0 is how much? 0. 0 and with the 1 is how much? 0. Then the result is what? The 0 itself. 1 bit of 0 itself. 1 bit of 0 itself. Yes, right answer. Okay, you have to make sure of having the bitwise and operation, logical and also reduction and. ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತದ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಪವನ್ ಬರ್ಕೋ. ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. ಕಾಪಿ ಇಟ್. Copy that. Copy this one. Okay, next is what? The shift operators. How many shift operators are there? 4 are there. Right shift, left shift, arithmetic right shift, arithmetic left shift. Copy that one. ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಭುದೇವ್, ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. That will give the marks. Okay, that one also will carry the marks. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ? ಬರಿಲಾರ್ದು ಬರ್ತಾವ? ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಪ್ಪ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ಕೋತಿ? ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ಕೋತಿ? This is what the negligency. This is what the how much you are interested in the class. Just sitting in the classroom is not useful. Okay, leave it. Okay, one joke is there. ಜೋಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮನುಷ್ಯಗೆ ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಾಗ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಮ್ನಾಗ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ 8:30 ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 8:30ಗೆ ರೂಮ್ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನನಗೇನಾದರೂ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದು ಬನೀನ್ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಬಟನ್ ಎಲ್ಲದ, ಸರ್ಚ್ ಇಂಜಿನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡೆಯಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ F ಅಂತ ಹೊಡಿತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಹೊಡೆದಾಗ ಯಾವುದು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಿಸ್ತಾಗ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಸಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹುಡುಕಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕೈಗೆ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಹುಡುಕಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೈಯಾಗ ಡಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡಸ್ಟ್ ಹುಡುಕಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ. ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್, ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಮನ್. ಕೈಯಾಗ ಡಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ತುಂಬ ಹುಡುಕಿ. Okay, shift operator. Next, consider the shift operators. How many shift operators are there? One is what? The shift right, shift left, arithmetic, right shift. Okay, fourth one is what? The arithmetic, left shift. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾರ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರಬೇಕು? ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್. ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ ಕೈದು ರೈಟಿಗೆ, ಇದು ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೀತಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ರೈಟಿಗೆ. ನಿಮ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನೇ ರೈಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ರೈಟ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್, ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡನ್ ವಿತ್ ದ 3. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ದ 3 ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ಸ್. Okay, regular shift in the operators, the vector operand is to be right or left. Okay, specified numbers. Usually the right shift are how much? How many right shift I have to take it? It is to be mentioned in the shift itself. One bit of right shift idre I have to mention in the 1 bit of right shift ಮಾಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. 2 bits right shift ಮಾಡಿ left shift ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ I have to mention there. Default value of the shift is what? The 1 itself. Default value ಏನು ಅದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂಬುದನ್ನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ 1 itself. For example, if the x value is what? The 4 bit of 1100, then the y is value equals to x bit of 1. How much it is to be done? What is the value of that one? Tell me. Tell the answer. X's value is how much is here? 1100. 1100. Okay, right shift ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಒಂದು right shift ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 110. Okay, preceding this is a bit is to be given as the 0. ಒಂದು 0 ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ನೀವು preceding values ಏನು ಇರ್ತಾವ, bits ಏನು ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, those to be filled with what? The 0. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ 0, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ y equals to x with the right shift 2, left shift 2 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ? ಅಧಿಕ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ? x is what? The 1100 ಅದ. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 00. Remaining values are what? The 00 itself. 00 itself, because we are putting the values. These to be values are coming here, this value. Okay, these are the vacant places. These are what? The vacant bits. These bits are filled with what? The value here 0. Whenever the bit shift is happening, that bit is to be filled with what? The 0 in the normal shift. When you go with the arithmetic left shift, arithmetic right shift, you have to fill the vacant bits with what? The 1. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನೀ ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ವೇಕೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ವೇಕೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ? 0 ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡರ್ ಮಾಡು, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡರ್ ಮಾಡು ವೇಕೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ನೀವು ಆರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ರೈಟ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಆರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫಿಲ್ ದ ವೇಕೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟ್? ದ 1. ಓಕೆ, ಇದೇನಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. x with the left shift to that with the 1. This is what the value here, the what type of shift is here? Ningana, what type of shift is that one? ಹಾಂ ಕಮ್ ಇಯರ್ ಈ ಕಮ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂಡು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ವರೆಗೂ ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಪಾಠ ಹೇಳೋದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳು ನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ ಹಾಂ ಯಾವುದು ಓಕೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹಾಂ okay you have to shift from the you have to shift with the right shift ಮಾಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಓಕೆ ದೀಸ್ 3 ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು 1 1 0 ಇದು ವೇಕೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತದ ಇದು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ 0 ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಯರ್ 1 1 0 0 ಇದೇನದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್ ಇಯರ್ 2 ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು 0 0 ಇವು ಏನು 1 1 ಹೋಗ್ತಾವ ಇವು ಎರಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವ ದೀಸ್ ವೇಕೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಯರ್ 0 itself because that's what the I got the left shift of the two value of this x is what the 0 0 itself. Okay, this is what the normal shift. This is what the normal right shift left shift. Arithmetic right shift, arithmetic left shift ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು if the vacant places are there that is to be filled with what the value 1 itself. ಅದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದು x with the 1 how it is to be done. It has to make it what the shift as the 1. I want to make it what the arithmetic right shift. Arithmetic right shift. X value another. X value another 1 1 0 0 da. Right shift ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 1 1 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 1 bit. ಇದು vacant place ಇರುತ್ತದಲ್ಲ this is to be what filled with what the 1. Earlier it was we are doing what the 0. But in the arithmetic shift, atik ಹೋಗ್ತಿ ಹೊರಗ ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯಾ this filled with what the 1 itself. Okay, next is what the concatenation. Concatenation ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ what is the meaning of the concatenation? Combining, yes, combining. If the my one operand is having the 2 bits, another operand is having the 2 bits, those to be concatenated with the making what the 4 bits. That one we call the concatenation operator. Concatenation concatenation operators. Okay, concatenation operator. Concatenation operators always with works with the 2 flower brackets. Okay, so separated with the comma. If I have the 2 operands a comma b with the flower bracket, that means here the what the operand is having the first operand, another operand is having the 2 bits that is to be combined will give the result as the 4 bits itself. 4 bits itself. Okay, if I have the 2 flower brackets here, 2 flower brackets, that is to be done. Okay, replication operator, that is to done as what the replication. We'll see the next topic. First is we'll concentrate on what the concatenation operator. Okay, for example, a is having the what the value here 1 bit of 1, b is having the value of what the 2 bits of 0 0, c is having the value of the what the 2 bits of 0 0, d is having the value of what the 3 bits of 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, make it solve as the concatenation with as the a y equals to a concatenation with what the b. Get me the answer. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಬಿಟ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ 2 ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ The value is what the 1, another is 3. The result is what the 3 bits of 100. This is what the result we are getting the concatenation. Okay. Next is what the y equals to concatenation of what the C with the D. I am separating with the 2 operands here. How many operands? I am taking the 2 operands here. Even you can also take the 3 operands also. Even you can also take the 3 operands also. B with the C with the D. What is the value of here? What is the value? 6 bits. 2 to 3, 7 bits. Okay. 7 bit of what is the value? First I have to take the value. What is the value here? 0 0. Another value is what the 0 0. Third is what the 1 1 0. This is what the concatenation. We call this what the concatenation. Next is what the replication operator. This is what the last one. This is the last one. I will be stopping. Definitely. Only one thing I have left. Next one is what the replication operator. Last one, this one is what the replication operator. Replication andre enre? Replication andre duplicate ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅದರ value ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಾಕೋದು. Replication. A ಇದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು A ಹಾಕೋದು. How many A's I need here? That is to be decided with the applying the sending the values. How many values? Okay. Okay, that's nothing but the ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ replication operator. Replication operator is to be considered with the 2 flower brackets. 2 flower brackets. Repetitive concatenation of the same number. Barkori, write it. Repetitive concatenation of the same number. Repetitive concatenation of the same. Repetitive concatenation of the same number. Repetitive concatenation of the same number can be expressed by using a replication constant. By using a replication constant. Next point, a replication constant specifies how many times a replication constant represents. A replication constant specifies how many times. Barkori. How many times a replication constant specifies how many times to replicate the number inside the brackets. ಯಾವ brackets ಇರಬೇಕು? Flower bracket ಹಾಕೋರಿ. Brackets inside the brackets. Okay, inside the brackets. Okay, brackets ಯಾವ್ದು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು? You have to show the flower bracket. Okay, for example, okay, I need the only 5 minutes. Please complete this concept. Please be with me. Pawan, ಏನಾಯ್ತು? So what the 1 bit of 1. B is having the value as what the 2 bits of 0 1. C is having the 2 bits of 1 1. 3. D is having the values as the 3 bits of 1 0 1. 3 bits of 101. Okay, 3 bits of 101. Okay, replicate it. Replicate y equals to 4 of a. Write it. Answer. Write the answer. 4 times replicate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವ a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನದಲ್ರಿ 1 ಅದ. 4 times ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ 4 ಅನ್ನು 1 ಅನ್ನು 4 ಸಲ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. 1 1 1 4 bit 4 times ಬರಬೇಕು. The output, the result is what? The y equals to, the result is what? The y equals to 4 bit of 1 1 1 1. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? 1 1 1 1 4 bit 4 times replicate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Similarly, if I use the 4 of a with the concatenation of what? The 2 of b. Okay, apply it. So I apply it. We have to make it what? The I have to apply here the concatenation, and also I have to apply what? The concatenation. What? The replication also. Just to make it the 4 ಅನ್ನು a ಅದನ್ನು 4 times ಬರೀರಿ. a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನದ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ 1 1 1 1 ಅದ. a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನದ 1 ಅದ. ಒಂದೊಂದು 4 ಸಲ ಬರೀರಿ. b ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನದ್ರಿ 0 1 ಅದ. 2 times ಬರೀರಿ. 0 1 0 1. How many bits now? It's 8 bits. Now the 8 bits of, okay, like this you should have to write the answer. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Next is what? The y equals to 2 of a b with the c. What is the value? Just tell me. What is the value? Just tell me. ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? 2 ಏನು 2 times ಬರೀರಿ. ಏನದ 1 1 ಬರ್ದ್ರಿ 1 1. b ಏನು ಬರ್ಬೇಕು 2 times 0 1 0 1. c ಏನದ only 1 time, that is the 1 1. How many bits? 8 bits. 8 bits of the value is here, the 8 bits value. ಸಾಕು. Stop. Okay, I will go with what now? The conditional operators. Conditional ಅಂದ್ರೆ if else statement conditionals ಇರ್ತಾವ. either of one I have to get the answer. ಈಗ 2 operands ಇದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೋರಿ. If it is a true, then only I have to select the first value. If it is a false, then I have to select for the second value. This is to be done, okay, with the in the Verilog HDL with the bitwise. Sorry, this is what the conditional operator. Conditional operator. Okay, conditional operators also works similar to what? The 2:1 marks. If I have the multiplexer with the 2 inputs, I have to select the either of one as input as the output. Okay, if I have the 4 number of inputs are there multiplexer ಗೆ 4 number of inputs ಇದ್ರಾಗ ನಾವು multiplexer ನ ಒಂದು output ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? I can apply this conditional operator also here also. The conditional operator sometimes work as what? The 2:1 multiplexer. 2 input ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಒಂದು output ತೋರಿಸೋದಿರ್ತದ. either of one it has to be select. either it is a 0 1 true ಇದ್ರ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೆ false ಇದ್ದರೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. This is what the similar to what the if else statement. If it is the first condition statement is true, then you can select the first statement, or else false is the second statement considerable. The same it is to be done. This is the concept behind the conditional operator. We have to use the conditional operator while for implementing this type of concept. So for what the multiplexer ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ if else statement ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು this one what the conditional operator. Okay, only 1 minute I need. Only 1 minute, please understand. Otherwise I need to refresh all the things tomorrow also. This is the one last one, the 10th one for the operator in the Verilog HDL. For writing the Verilog HDL program in the ಡೇಟಾ ಫ್ಲೋ ಮಾಡಲ್. ಈಗ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ವು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್. ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ two operands, two operators. One is what the question mark, another is the colon. Okay, these two are to be used. These two are used. Always conditional operators need what the how many? Need three number of three operands. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಆಪರೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ತ್ರೀ ಆಪರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ನೆಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಆಪರೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ. ಇವು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಆರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಆಪರೆಂಟ್ಸ್? 2 ಆಪರೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ನ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಆಪರೆಂಟ್ಸ್? 3 ಆಪರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ. 3 ಆಪರೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ condition expression. Okay, condition expression. This is what the first condition. Okay, first condition. Then the true expression, then the false expression also. My condition expression is here, the condition expression with the question mark. If it is a true, then it will execute the first expression, or else it will consider the false expression. Okay, this is what the similar to if else statement. Okay, so I use the 2 operators here. The one is this one, this is the 2. Okay, while using the, if you found anywhere in the Verilog program it's these type of operators, you can consider them as what the conditional operators. For example, if I have the multiplexer, how much? 2:1 marks. 2:1 marks is there. I have to select the 1, I1, I2 is there, I2. How many select lines I need here? How many select lines I need here for selecting? Only 1. That is what the S. Output as what the Y. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ S equals to 0 ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ತೋತದ? I1 Y equals to I1 ಆಗ್ತದ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ S equals to 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? Y equals to I2 ಆಗ್ತದ. It means here the either of one it is selecting. So that you can also apply the same with the, this is to be explained with the multiplexer with be expressed in the Verilog programming with the help of what the conditional operators, with the help of the conditional operators. Okay, if I go with the assign, okay, you will tell, okay, someone will come and say the which person is making the noise. Okay, definitely I'll put them as the marks to be very low. ನೀವು ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಬಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನನಗೆ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು ಬಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಂತ ಇಟ್ಕ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗಲ್ಲ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಮೆಸ್ಟರ್ ತನಕ ಅದೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ನಾನಿದ್ದಾಗ ಬೇರೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಯಾರು ನ್ಯೂ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಬಂದಿರಿ ಇದು ನಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನ್ಯೂ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಿದ್ರು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದೆಮ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ. ದೋಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ noises here. Definitely I will make them as they definitely already I come to know that person is showing their expression he has done and all. Okay, they are telling the names and all. Like this they are telling, like this they are telling now already. What type of is this person there already I come to know which person is making the noise and all. Definitely I'll put them as what the only minimum marks, whatever it may be. Please make sure of attending the classes silently. I will help them. But if you make the such noises, such nonsenses, definitely I will not help them. Sure. Who is that guy? I already come to know. Don't come to me and say the sorry and all. Okay, later will not happen like this. ಯಾರಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಯದ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಶಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸೇ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಯಾರಂತ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ. ಬಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಯು. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹೂವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ, ನೀನಲ್ಲ ನಾನಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತವನಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡ್ದವನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾ. ಹೂವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ, ನೀನಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅತಿಕ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಿಮ್ರಾ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಹೂವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ದೆಮ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Okay, assign the output of this is what the y, just to put the y as the output. Then the condition is what the output is I to make is what the out equals to condition ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ either of one it is to be selected, either of one it is to be selected, I1 ಅದರ ಬರಬೇಕು I2 ಅದರ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಯಾವ ತೋರ್ತದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಟ್ರೂ, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ s equals to 0 ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ತೋರ್ತದ ಇದು ತೋರ್ತದ, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ s equals to 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದು ತೋರ್ತದ. This is what the condition expression, this is what the how to use the condition operators in the Verilog HDL. Okay, thank you. Okay, we'll continue that tomorrow with the writing a data flow model programs for the 4:1 marks and also full adder and also what the one more is that counter 4-bit counter also. These are three are the very important examples. Definitely one among that they will ask in the examination. Okay, take the questions as the write a 5 different types of operators, 5 and explain. Write a 5 different types of operators in Verilog HDL. In Verilog HDL, this is the question in the they asked in the previous examination in the last year itself. Here I have it. What they asked, how explain the operators of Verilog. Explain the operators of Verilog. Bracket alli any 5. Explain the operators of Verilog. Bracket alli any 5 and explain the precedence of operator. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಯಾವುದು precedence of operators. I will teach this precedence of operator. Small topic is there. Tomorrow I will teach. If I have the too many operators at the same time, which one I have to do perform? If it is in the bracket, I have to solve that bracket first one. Bracket solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೆಗೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That one will have the precedence. If I have the many operators in the one expression, which one I have to calculate first? We'll see that one. Okay. Thank you. Give the attendance. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 31, 32, 33, 30, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 47, 48, 49, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 50, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 80, 79, 78, 77, 75, 74, 73, 74. 74 is there. ಯಾರು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರಲಾಗ್ಯದ, ಕೈನೂ ಕಾಣಲಾಗ್ಯದ. 73, 72, 71, 80, 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 98 ಯಾರು 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 104 ಯಾರು 50, 66 66 ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.